What's up, YouTube? It's Big A's Films here. So I'm going to be talking about Invisalign. It's been a while since I've done a video on Invisalign, but I figure I might as well wrap things up with it. I know it's been about a year, but it's given me some time to wear the retainers, kind of get used to them, and just kind of get a feel for, okay, are my teeth really shifting or are they not shifting? So it took around for the entire Invisalign before I got the retainers, approximately around 8 months to get my teeth straight. So after that, I went ahead and went in for my last appointment, got my retainers, and got those. So during the entire process of Invisalign, the pain was not too bad. I had braces as a teen, and braces really hurt kind of bad because having metal in your mouth was just really uncomfortable. Having the trays of Invisalign inside my mouth wasn't as bad as having braces in there because it wasn't as sharp, it wasn't metal, and if I got hit in the face or the mouth with something, I wouldn't bleed or anything crazy like that. So having Invisalign overall this time was actually very well, and I would highly recommend it. The cost of Invisalign for me was roughly around $4,000. That is a lot, but in the end, it definitely made my teeth straighter, better, and it helped my bite a whole lot. So it eliminated some of the issues that I was having before when I first was thinking about getting Invisalign. Once I finished up with my actual Invisalign trays that was straightening my teeth up, I went ahead and went in for my final appointment and I got my retainers. Now, the retainers, they will ask you, they'll be like, do you want the regular retainer or do you want the more durable retainers? I asked for the more durable retainers just because I know that I myself break a lot of things. It's easy to do. We're human, right? We all make mistakes. So I didn't even want to see what the regular retainers look like. I just said, hey, give me the durable ones. Now they are more costly, I think around $400, $500 more costly, but you get four for that price. And these retainers so far, I've been on one retainer and it's lasted pretty well. And it's been about a year since I've gotten my retainers. The only time that you're supposed to really wear your retainers is at night. You can wear it more throughout during the day if you feel like it, if you want to, if you're just comfortable with it. That's not me. That may be you, but it's only worn at night, and that's what the doc said or the dentist said. So that is what I have been doing. Now, there have been some nights where I have missed a night and forget to put it in, or I go camping and I didn't bring it with me, or whatever the case may be. Now, the next day or 2 days later, it is going to feel rather painful. Your teeth will shift. I don't know why teeth shift so quick. I don't know the whole reason behind it. I wish they would just stay put so you never had to wear a retainer again. And it would eliminate that, but it just is what it is. So every night, it's just like a ritual, the same as brushing your teeth. Brush your teeth, go ahead, mouthwash, and then throw in the retainer. And it keeps your teeth nice and straight throughout the night. Now, typically, every night when you put your retainer in, you're not really going to feel much pain. It's going to feel a little awkward at first, a little but then you're going to get used to it and you're going to go right to sleep, and nothing bad about it. After a while, your teeth are probably going to get used to that. I assume a couple of years down the road, maybe the teeth won't shift as much just because they've been hanging in that same spot due to the retainer. I don't know. I haven't gotten that far ahead. All I can state are the facts and what I've seen due to this Invisalign retainer. As for cleaning, you need to make sure you clean retainers whenever they start to get dirty. Stuff will accumulate on them. They do get nasty. It's in your mouth. Lots of bacteria in the mouth. I know they sell certain cleaners for Invisalign that you can buy on Amazon or their website. But me personally, I just use mouthwash. I use the whitening, extra whitening mouthwash. It kind of breaks everything down on the retainer if it's ever built up or whatever. And it just kind of makes it nice and smooth again and just cleans it completely. It breaks down all the gunk, all the goo, and I let it sit probably for about a few hours and it cleans it. Or while I'm at work and I come home and it's just brand spanking new. Now, I got 4 retainers when I left the dentist's office on my last appointment. And so far, like I said, I've only used one retainer throughout the entire time, and it's actually been very sturdy, very durable. I'm not going to move to the next one until I have to, just because I just don't want to have to keep going back to the dentist to keep buying retainers. I just want to make them last as long as possible. And the durable ones so far have been holding up very well. I haven't had any issues, no breaks, no snaps, no cracks, nothing like that. They've done very well. Since you get multiple retainers, it might be wise if for some reason you do travel a lot to maybe put a pair in your car and probably to keep a pair at home. Just that way, if you're ever out and about, you know that, hey, you have a retainer. Or you put one in your suitcase if you travel a lot flying wise. That way you always have it wherever you're going to go. Or just keep it in your little toiletries bag that you may have at home if you do have one of those. Overall, I've got no complaints. Invisalign has been very good. It's been very easy. The only sucky part is just wearing the retainer at night every night, but you know what? You get used to it. It's just like brushing your teeth every night. In the long run, if you were thinking about getting Invisalign, I would probably look into it highly. Look into braces as well. They might suit you better. I don't know. It just depends on the person. Totally depends on the person. You might be better off, hey, I like middle of my mouth versus having plastic in my mouth. I don't like that. So if that's you, go that way. But if Invisalign, if you guys have any questions, drop a comment below. Please like the video. It's going to get my content out there, and I'll keep doing more videos. Thanks.